Hello, I am A. Mohammed Siddiq. I am from Tanjavur. I currently pursuing third year BTech Information Technology at SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. I am completed my schooling at Best Matriculation School and I have scored SSLC of 85% and HSLC 78%. My short-term goal is to place in MNC company and my long-term goal is to start my own startup company. I have participated in outer college events and I have won third prize in poster designing in CIT Coimbatore and I have won third prize in logo designing at Barnaga MN Institution Coimbatore. I have worked in projects like aquaculture management system and fuel delivery app. Aquaculture management system is nothing but it ensures the health of aquatic species. I have interest in full stack development and UI UX designing and also do editing. I have knowledge about Python, OOPS and JavaScript. I have successfully completed my internship at Virgin Technologies for 21 days and I have also completed my internship in DOS Technologies for 30 days. Thank you.